I'm a Fairfax County police officer, but I'm a parent too. As parents, we want our children to be safe and have opportunities to succeed. If our children get involved in a gang, their chances for leading a productive life and even surviving into adulthood severely diminish. We work hard to provide a better future for our children. Don't let a gang take that away. Be aware and watch for these warning signs. Withdrawal from family activities, ditching old friends, hearing your child being called a new nickname, or using unfamiliar and unusual slang words, suddenly having more money or possessions, a new cell phone from an unknown source, evidence of drug and alcohol abuse, an uncharacteristic drop in grades, carrying objects that can be used as weapons, staying out later than usual, and modifying clothing or appearance to indicate membership in a special group. Gang members can be from any ethnic group. While most gang members are in their teens and 20s, some are as young as 9 years old. Most gang members are boys, but 10% are girls, and that number is growing. If you suspect your child might be involved in a gang, talk to them. Offer them the love and support that they are looking to get from a gang. And you are not alone. Our community is here to help. Here are some of Fairfax County's many resources. To find out where to turn if someone you know is involved with a gang or to prevent gang involvement, you can call 1-866-914-GANG. Calls are answered 24/7. The Fairfax County Gang Prevention Coordinator can be reached at 703-246-2396. For the Fairfax County Public Schools Student Safety and Wellness Office, call 571-423-4270. Fairfax County Police Youth Services, their number is 703-246-2956. And finally, the Northern Virginia Gang Task Force can be reached at 703-GET-HELP. Let's work together to keep our kids safe. Please share these resources and help spread awareness in our communities. For more information, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov/gang prevention.